Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. You guys know what day it is from the title of this video. My baby boy is 2 years old today. This minute. Last year 2 years ago this time, I was in the hospital crying, praying, asking God questions, so many questions. Why? What have I done wrong? Why am I going through all this? But little did I know that it would all be okay and I would have my baby boy to go home a few days later. However, we stayed in the hospital 3 weeks later. 3 long weeks we stayed in the hospital, and I was finally able to go home with my miracle. And I call him my miracle because we've gone through so much during that 3 weeks he was in the hospital. Only God alone understands how I manage. And you guys should know by now that I'm an emotional wreck, and that 3 weeks all I could do was bawl, not cry, but I bawl day in, I bawl day in, day out, day and night, sleepless nights. But however, I'm thankful. And honey, if one day you're watching this video, I just want you to know that you are the best gift that ever happened to me. You are the most wonderful, smart, handsome 2-year-old any mother could ever ask. You surprise me every single day. You give me joy every single day. It doesn't matter how naughty you get, that smile and that beautiful brown eyes of yours, whenever I see it just melts my heart completely. And I just want you to know that you're awesome, you're a blessing, you're one of a kind. I love you so much. And on this your 2nd birthday, I promise Mama and Papa will make it no other less than any other birthday. We'll celebrate you just like we did the day you were born. And for that, my son, I just want you to enjoy every single moment and just know that you are a complete blessing. And no, I won't cry today, okay? I will not cry. So you're 2, you're a big 2, okay? Mama, love you so much. And I have his number 2 balloon here. I showed you guys from yesterday's vlog. You want it? And I'm gonna show you guys the birthday boy in a bit. He already wants his balloon. Come. Hold it. Whoa, look, it's bigger than you. It's bigger than you. It's bigger than you. It's bigger than you, Papa. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. It's your favorite number. You know that, right? How old are you today, baby? Say 2. Yes, you're 2. Oh my God. It's not S, it's 2. Yes, you're 2. You guys. So today is your birthday. It's your birthday. Say happy birthday to me. Yay! 2. That's 2, baby. 2. Alright, you guys. So, as usual, it's just me, Tyler, and Babe. And it doesn't really matter how many of us, we will have him a little party. So I'm about to just get a little space decorated. Babe is at work, but he'll be coming home a little bit early today. Hear him. Wow, with his number 2. He'll be coming home a little bit early today. That way we can celebrate Tyler's birthday a bit. So I'm just going to decorate a little area for him and let him enjoy his special day. So let's go. He's having fun with the number 2. Your number is bigger than you are. You see that? Your number is bigger than you. Okay guys, so this is not turning out how I imagine in my head. I completely forgot that Tyler is in a balloon phase, so he's not letting me decorate with the balloons that I blow up. He just wants to play with them, so I just leave him, let him play with them on the floor. So they're just all over the floor, even though they're not much. One burst, so that's all that remains. So I'm just letting him play with them instead of just hanging them or decorate or whatnot. There you, king of the castle. You're king of the castle. And see, he parked the other ones over there. So I'm just letting him be. Wow. Already. Look at you. Alright you guys, so that's our little final little setup. Nothing too extra, nothing too over the top. It's just him, Babe, and I. Babe is not home yet, and we already get the party starting because actually Tyler dinner time. So I don't want to wait too late, but Baby's on his way. I make sure I get some pictures with him before Babe gets home. He's already eating his fish sticks. I just make him his favorite things. Go ahead, baby. I make him fish sticks and I make him fries, which he loves. And this is chocolate cake. So that's his minion cake with his number 2 in there. And this is baby champagne for him right there. And that's the birthday boy. How old are you? Say 2? 2? Right, you're 2. 2. And Papa come, we sing happy birthday. And Mama gonna go for your presents. Because if I go for his gifts now, before Babe come, he's gonna want to pull them. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Tyler. Joyeux anniversaire. You ready to blow? Bravo. Put these on. Go blow it. Go. Blow.
Allez.
Blow it hard. Blow.
Bravo!
One, two. Bravo. And cut again. One, two.
Bravo!
Bravo. You're gonna taste it. Mmm. He said no. No.
No.
No.
Allez. Allez.
Pull, baby, pull, 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 pull.
Good head. Allez. Good job.
Whoa. Wow. Bravo. Let me help you. Oh, do you know what that is? Pull, baby, pull.
Ah.
Whoa, Ty, your favorite thing in the world.
Allez, Tyler.
Next one, Ty, go for the next gift. Tyler, go for the next gift.
Tyler.
Tyler, go. Pull.
Allez.
He's into his puzzle already. This one is from Babe and I don't know what it is. Wow! It's the truck that I wanted him to get. One just like this. Oh my god, he's going to be in love. Tyler, whoa! Oh my god, he's gonna be in love. Cut it out the box for him.
Tyler.
Ty, go pull another gift, baby. He's into the puzzle. Tyler, look. Go pull another one. Go, pull. Pull, baby, pull. Alright, so this is my gift that Babe don't know what it is. Pull, Tyler, pull. Pull, Tyler, pull.
What's that?
Pull, Ty, pull.
Wow!
Oh, Tyler. Let's see what Mama got you. What did Mama got you, boy? He doesn't care for it. He wants the puzzle. Oh, yeah. He doesn't care for his other gift. Tyler, you have one more gift to pull, baby.
Tyler, regarde. Tyler.
Tyler, look. You have another one.
Allez.
Pull, baby, pull. Wow. Pull tight. Wow. Whoa. And this one is from Babe and I bought. Good job. Help him take it off before we make it fall.
Wow.
Tyler, look.
Tyler.
Just want the puzzle. Tyler, look. Go.
Wow.
He said, wow.
You see?
Tyler, what is that?
Wow.
Tyler, what is that? What is that? Tyler, what is that? Tyler, look.
Tyler?
Tyler, look.
Wow.
Look. I know he was gonna be excited for this one. What is that? Tablet. Say tablet. Yeah, that's yours. He's just into his puzzle. That's all he wants right now. His puzzle. Bravo! He doesn't know which one to choose. He's playing with the tablet, he's playing with the truck, he's in love with the puzzles.
Well, he plays with the truck and the puzzle.
Oh yeah.
He's driving his truck on the puzzle and on the tablet.
Oh, that mercy. And the food, we are eating it. Half of the cake is almost gone. Look at this happy kid. I guess it's safe to say that Tyler had a good second birthday. It was well executed. He had fun once more with just the three of us. Thank you everyone for the birthday wishes. Say thank you for the birthday wishes. All right, blow them kisses.
Bisous.
Right, thank you. Say it louder.
Hey guys, so it's officially the end of the day. It has been a very long day. This morning I had to go with Babe doing some papers and went back to work, stay at work late and come back, enjoy Tyler's birthday, spending time with him, and yeah, it been a long day, but at the end of the day, the only thing I remember is the smile of Tyler. So yeah, I can only say that has been a good day because of that. Just seeing him, his face when we say happy birthday, and he was just like excited, like he understands everything that's happening, like if he knows that he's like the little king, and everything's for him, and oh, that was just exciting. So I just want to take some more times to wish him a happy birthday again, to tell him how much I love you, to tell him how much I love him. Tyler, if you watch me, well, you don't watch me now, but maybe in the future you're gonna watch this video, so I just want to let you know that your father loves you and will always love you. It has been 2 years now. I only can say 2 good years, because of course we have some hard moments, but like I said, at the end of the day, you laugh at the hard moment and you just look back at them and you say, well, everything done, and just the only things remaining in your head is the happy moment, all of the smile on the face, and yeah, that's all I remember now, and that's all I want to remember. So one more time, Tyler, I love you, happy birthday, and I just wish you a long life and a lot of birthday coming soon, okay? next step for you gonna be Christmas, and I'm sure this moment I will see you smiling again. Alright, so it's time to end the vlog. Honey? Babe? You want to come? How was your day?
Exhausting. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I was up from almost 6 this morning. I'm sore from working out yesterday, and I took a little nap today and then get ready for Tyler little celebration. It's a long day. I'm ready to go to bed right now.
How'd you nap? How'd you nap?
And even though I nap, I still feel like I didn't.
I understand why I napped the weekend sometimes. I just feel tired from the week.
Trust me, I do understand. That's why I'm not mad when you nap at all. You need to nap. But sometimes I just can't nap. But when I need it, trust me, I take it. You guys, we're just gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. Baby boy, again, if you're watching this, we love you so much, and yes, you had a blast celebrating your 2nd birthday, and it will be like that every year if Almighty allows me. Trust me, there won't be a year that goes by where you don't celebrate your birthday the way Mama really wants you to celebrate your birthday. So you guys, if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and no, since it's Tyler's special day, we won't give you guys any Jamaican and French expression or words today. So we're just going to tell you guys, just go ahead and spam the comments and tell Tyler happy birthday. And yeah, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.